10 trendy plants to brighten your mood and beautify your home. Plants have a unique way of transforming any space into a serene and refreshing sanctuary. They not only enhance your home's aesthetics, but also purify the air and reduce stress. Whether you're a seasoned plant lover or a beginner, these 10 trendy plants will bring beauty, vibrancy, and positive energy into your home. The Monstera deliciosa, also known as the Swiss cheese plant, is a favorite for its large, perforated leaves that make a bold statement. It thrives in bright, indirect light and is known for its air-purifying properties. Similarly, the fiddle leaf fig is a stylish choice, with its tall frame and broad, violin-shaped leaves that add elegance to any space. While it requires bright, filtered light and occasional misting, it rewards you with a striking indoor tree. For those seeking a low-maintenance option, the snake plant is a perfect choice. With its upright, resilient leaves, this hardy plant thrives in low light and requires minimal watering. It also purifies indoor air and releases oxygen at night, improving air quality while you sleep. Another great option is the calathea, often called the prayer plant due to its vibrant, patterned leaves that move in response to light. It thrives in humid environments, making it ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. The Pilea peperomioides, or Chinese money plant, is known for its round, coin-like leaves, believed to bring prosperity. Easy to propagate, it makes a great gift for plant lovers. If you're looking for a whimsical touch, the string of pearls is a stunning cascading succulent with bead-like leaves, perfect for hanging planters. It thrives in bright light and requires little water, making it a great choice for a low-maintenance yet visually striking plant. For those who prefer a nearly indestructible plant, the ZZ plant is a must-have. Its glossy green leaves can survive in low light and require minimal care while also acting as an excellent air purifier. Meanwhile, the bird of paradise is a tropical beauty with large, banana-like leaves that bring a lush, vacation-like feel to any home. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and occasional deep watering. The rubber plant is another trendy pick, known for its deep green or burgundy-colored leaves that add a bold and dramatic touch to any room. It's low maintenance and has excellent air-purifying properties. Lastly, the peace lily is a timeless classic with elegant white flowers. It's beginner-friendly, thriving in low light and even signaling when it needs watering by drooping slightly. Its calming presence makes it perfect for creating a peaceful atmosphere.